Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Sagittarius. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. Sagittarius. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, guys. So let's start with these cards. We have Ace of Pentacles, Page of Swords in reverse, and Four of Pentacles. So in your circumstances, guys, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are someone who has some views or beliefs, and you are a very a rigid person. You don't want to change no matter what. So maybe in your life people may be telling you to change your ideas or the way you see things, maybe your perception, but you are not someone who is ready to change. Maybe because you know that you are making the right decision, or you are standing by the right values you have for yourself, because these beliefs and ideas have helped you and you are quite experienced, and that may be the reason you do not want to change yourself, guys. But the way you are maybe holding on to something really rigid, not willing to change, not willing to adjust with the people you have, guys, that is simply going to create some problems for you, for this relationship, or for your work circumstances. Maybe if you want to make things work in the right way, you need to adjust, be really flexible, guys. And you are unable to overcome these this self-imposed choices you have for yourself. Though you are trying, maybe on certain things you may try to change, but still you are unable to change yourself, guys, and you want to go by your choice or live life on your own terms. So in this relationship, that may be a reason for something you need to worry. Maybe this person may not see this aspect of yours. Maybe you have gone through a lot, and that is the reason you don't want to change yourself. But this person may not understand your view, your point of view. Maybe they want you to listen to them sometimes, guys, at least. And though you are a very good person, maybe you may have a lot of good qualities and you are a very successful person, whatever it is, this rigidity you have is going to affect the way things are going, guys. And that may make you as someone, this person may think of you as not a good person to be with, not a friendly person. But in truth, you are a kind, compassionate person, but the way you are is the reason for some problems in this relationship, guys. And maybe for some of you, some unexpected circumstance is unfolding. Maybe this may be your energy or their energy. Maybe you may be sick, or this person may be sick, or some kind of addictions or troubles. So if you are having plans of travel, guys, Sagittarius, you need to be really careful, Sagittarius, because Some unexpected circumstances may unfold in your life today, guys. You need to be really careful. So, we picked one card for your relationship, and it is the Tower. So, again, some kind of an unexpected change. It may be something really painful, but you need to understand, guys, Sagittarius. If you want something good for you, something positive in this relationship, maybe this pain is nothing. The changes that are happening in your relationship may be quite painful. For some of you, this person may leave you, or you may be in a temporary separation. It may be quite painful, but these changes are necessary to change the way things are going, guys. So, some positive change needs to happen, some breakthrough. That is the reason for these drastic changes you see in your circumstances, guys, Sagittarius. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for your career situation. We have Lovers in reverse. So maybe in your situation, certain decisions you made for yourself regarding some work related decisions, it may not go as you expected, guys. Maybe some delays or suspensions may be there in your work situation, Sagittarius. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Sagittarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstance, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with this first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, we have Cosmic Heart. So with this card, guys, it just means that in your circumstances today, maybe you have faced a lot of trials, a lot of difficulties, struggles, and you're trying to understand the reason for things going in a particular way, or the reason for maybe you're resisting something, resisting some changes or some circumstances. But whatever it is you do, maybe you feel really uncomfortable today, but you need to understand that life is unfolding just as it should. Maybe whether you understand it or not, whether you accept it or not. So that is the meaning with this card, guys. So in your circumstances today, you need some clarity or some kind of understanding, and you are attempting to hold on to things you don't want to lose, maybe, and you don't want to let go, and you don't want to change yourself. Maybe your circumstances are pushing you towards some changes, and you feel that you cannot handle those changes, or handle a change in your the way you are, or in your situation. So you are resisting some change happening to you or happening to your circumstances. But you need to understand that you don't need to know what is going on, guys. Maybe sometimes life will unfold some circumstances, some things we may not understand, but it will be for our own good. So universe is aligning some changes for you today, in your life, guys, maybe in your personal life or in your career situation, whatever it is, and it is that divine destiny that is being delivered to you, whether you like it or not, or whether you understand it or not. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second card, we have why. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in our life, in this relationship, we often we often go through certain circumstance, we often engage in our relationships, maybe our feelings are not always logical. Maybe now you need to try to understand whether these feelings are triggered by something of the past. Maybe what is the motivation behind this behavior of yours. You need to ask yourself why you are feeling this way, or why you said certain things to this person. So you need to spend time in introspection, thinking about what needs to be done. Listen to the messages from your intuition deep down within you. What does it tell about yourself? So life is a deep understanding of our needs and how to get them, guys. So we need to uncover deep down in our heart. We will know why we are expecting certain things, or why we are behaving in such a way. So these powerful questions we can ask ourselves and our partner today. So that is going to uncover the answers. What is the true intentions we have in our situation? If it is true love we have towards this person, that is the reason for our behavior or for our words. We can go ahead. But if the answer is something of the past, maybe we want to say some things to this person, some unresolved issues we have with our past person, and we just take it out on this person we are with. So if that is the case, that is the motive behind this relationship, we must think again whether we need this connection. So we need to be clear about the motives we have today towards this person, towards this relationship, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.